welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge Aldi haul to share with you. So we're going to start on this side and work our way down. Over here we just got some bread, and then we have 2 packs of these snacks. I shared them in my last Aldi haul. These are really good. These taste like mini Oreos. But they're really good, and my kids like them too. So we got 2 of those. We got one of these. They're just like little mini chocolate chip cookies. But we still have some of these left over, so I just got 1, I believe. We got a thing of hamburger meat, lean hamburger meat. We got some steak fries because they didn't have regular French fries, like the crinkle cut. So we got steak fries. We don't usually buy them, but hey, they work. And we got, my husband wanted some hash browns, so we got those to try. We've never had them. A thing of apples because we only had like 1 left. And then we got 2 boxes of these. These are white chocolate. Oh, actually it says yogurt, but anyways, they're really good. It makes a really good snack for only 100 calories. I think it's a really good deal. So I got 2 of those that I don't really want to share, but I mean, if I have to, I will. And then I got 3 things of cream cheese. One is going to be for the cracked chicken. If you don't know what cracked chicken is, look it up. I'll try to leave a Pinterest link in the description box below, but me and my daughter really love that chicken. I make it in the crock pot. It's so good. If you haven't tried it, try it out. I got some of these 100-calorie salt and pepper cashews. I really like cashews, and I hope these will be good. But I got some of these just for like a little snack. I got some whole almonds, 100-calorie. They're little packs. There's 7 packs in both of these boxes. And my daughter, my oldest, likes almonds, so I got these mostly for her. We got this to try. This is a macaroni and cheese. My husband found this, and he said it sounded good, so we're going to try it out one day and see if we like it. And then this is some cauliflower crackers. I got the cheddar flavor because I've never had these, so I'm not sure if I'm even going to like them. If I don't, hopefully one of my kids will, so they don't go to waste. But I saw these in another grocery haul. So when I found them in mine, I wanted to try them out. So I'll let you know if those are any good. Over here, I found this candle. It's a vanilla scented candle, but it's a soy blend candle. And I think that these last just a little bit longer, but they make your house smell so good. I got 2 of these, and I have one burning right now, and my whole house smells so good. I love it. And this was only like $3.99. Usually like at Walmart or I don't know, maybe like the dollar store or something, a candle this size is like $5. So $3.99 is a good deal. I got 2 of these mac and cheese cups. We really liked this mac and cheese last time, so I went ahead and just got 2 this time. I got one of these chewy dipped peanut butter. It's just a granola bar with peanut butter covered in chocolate, but my youngest daughter really likes them. I think my oldest does too, but they're really good. And I think they're only it's 140 calories per bar. I'm not counting calories or anything like that, but just in case you're curious. So I have been talking about me wanting some wooden spoons for the past week or so, and they had this thing. It's a 5-piece set, all kinds of wooden spoons, and this was only $5. So it was a complete steal. So I'm excited to use those. And over here we got some chicken tenders, chicken breast tenderloins, just to how we eat a lot of chicken. And then this is thin sliced chicken breast. This is the brand Never Any. I think it's supposed to be like a more healthier type brand. I don't know, but whatever. I don't usually like buying meat from Aldi because like especially like frozen food, like frozen chicken nuggets and things like that, I will not buy from Aldi because every single time it is disgusting. So anyways, hopefully this is good. Up here we just got some waffles for the kiddos. My little tripod over there, my laptop. Anyways, we got some pistachios roasted with sea salt. I like pistachios, and there's no shells with these. I'm hoping these are good. We shall see. Anyways, so I got those mostly for me, but if anybody wants them, they can have them. I don't care. We got some more veggie chips because we really like these. And I still have some left over from last time I went to Aldi. But, so I just got another bag. I got a thing of ranch. And then we got almost every single can that they had in the store. No, I'm kidding. We got sweet peas. I think most of this stuff is mostly for stew fillers. Hopefully maybe next week or this weekend or something, my husband will make some stew, and it is so bomb. But anyways, we got some sweet peas, just some regular cut green beans. I got a thing of baby dill pickles. Me and my daughter really like those, especially with popcorn. We got two things over here of French style green beans. I think of spaghetti and meatballs. I think this is supposed to be like Chef Boyardee or something, but anyways, hopefully this is good. It might not be because it's an off-brand, but we shall see. Another thing of green beans. Macaroni and beefaroni. Come on guys, get real. Mixed vegetables. Two things of tomato sauce, pasta rings and meatballs, off-brand version of SpaghettiOs. Another thing of mixed vegetables, stewed tomatoes. Now I know that the mixed vegetables and the stewed tomatoes are for the stew specifically. Baked beans, more peas. Some carrots. These are fire roasted diced tomatoes. I wonder if he knows that they're spicy or not. We'll see. Diced tomatoes. More stewed tomatoes. More green beans. Two things of corn. And more fire roasted diced tomatoes. Maybe that's for like nachos or something. I don't know. We'll see. Let me see. Back over here. Mini corn dogs. My youngest really likes this. I think both of my kids really like these. But I know specifically my youngest does. So I got one of these. I think there's 16 in here. But those are good. And then I saw these cauliflower tortilla chips. I got the nacho flavored. Hopefully these are good. It says grain-free, plant-based, vegan, and gluten-free. We'll see, you guys. I'll let you know about these and those crackers. I'll let you know if we like them or not. I don't know. I know my husband doesn't like cauliflower. I like cauli rice. So maybe it won't be so bad, but we'll see. We got a thing of onion soup. I think this is for a stew. 4 cans of tuna. More lunch meat. This is turkey lunch meat. They had it pre-sliced, and it's $3. Let me see. I got some of this grilled chicken breast strips. This, I got it for a salad. I might use this kind of chicken for a Dorito casserole. Not sure, but I got it specifically for salad, so we'll see what happens. My husband got some mushrooms. He really likes mushrooms. Hot links. And then we got these to try. I don't think I've ever had them, but we got 2 bags of them. They are wild caught beer battered cod fillets. And there's 4 fillets in each bag. So we got 2 bags just to try it. It sounded good at the store. There's the nutrition facts if anyone's interested. Hopefully those are good. We got a thing of eggs, head of lettuce. This is pancakes and club crackers. Alright you guys, that is it for this grocery haul. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you are new, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.